Hello everyone. Hope you all know about the Aliyah project that has been going on with the Rotaract Club of KDU. Today, I will be presenting a solution for the ongoing and future electricity crisis. Let's make a power pack to power a Wi-Fi router. I will be the tutor for this DIY project. Stay till the end with me. This is the circuit diagram of the power supply that we are about to make. This is the DC out, where we connect the Wi-Fi router. And this is the DC 12-volt input in which we charge the power pack when it discharges. The switch can be turned on when powering the Wi-Fi router. Remember to use a 12-volt adapter when charging. It is better to use 12.6 volt for charging if possible. Please be careful when using the soldering gun. I recommend you do all the soldering work with someone who has experience in it. Our Eric team is well experienced when it comes to soldering. After soldering the connections, remember to insulate all the battery casing terminals properly. If the battery terminal casing gets short-circuited, the wires connected to it can be permanently damaged. In this project, we used 1200 mAh batteries. If you can find batteries that have 3700 or 4800 mAh, do connect them, as it will increase the powering time of your Wi-Fi router. If you have any question regarding this project, please drop a comment in the Eric YouTube channel. I will give my maximum support to you. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another insightful video. Bye bye.